Good morning. It's Friday the 3rd of December. Thousands of people are still without power in parts of Scotland and northern England, 7 nights after Storm Arwen battered the UK.
15,000 properties are waiting to be reconnected in the northeast and northwest of England, as well as the northeast and south of Scotland.
The ongoing situation has been declared a major incident by Durham County Council, which has called for more resources to support residents. And in Scotland, the army has been drafted in to help the recovery effort in Aberdeenshire. Tim Muffet takes a look at how people are coping.
Aberdeenshire Council put out an urgent request for military help. That help has now arrived. Around 4,000 homes will be visited to support those struggling in the aftermath of Storm Arwen.
The infrastructure is pretty fragile. The weather hasn't helped. The high winds that came yesterday have further weakened some places. But we're hoping that it gives them that sort of reassurance that somebody is looking out for them.
Joanne is a nurse and lives near Harbottle in Northumberland. She still has no power, no water and no internet.
I'm sleeping in here, which isn't ideal, eating what I can in here, boiling pans of water on the log burner. You know, you can only take so much. Do you know what? I burst into tears, I'm not ashamed to say.
Joanne's now relying on a nearby community centre, along with her neighbour Anne.
I feel that we've just been left out and forgotten about. I'm more worried about the emergency services because where we were, there's no signals, no internet. How if somebody needs an ambulance, how are they going to get hold of it?
In County Durham, a major incident has been declared, which means more support should be on its way.
It seems that we will have assistance from government. We've asked for assistance. We hope the army will be brought in. And you know, Northern Power can't actually tell us when all these properties are going to be up, and that's why I've had to do this.
We've been out of power since last Friday. We're still out of power for another 4 days that we know of, so it'll be well over a week. But we were also out of water for 4 days.
Oliver has complex disabilities. 2 of his siblings are also disabled. His family are currently having to stay in a hotel in Northumberland.
It's just been a living nightmare. It just feels like something out of a disaster movie, you know, having all that massive storm, like literally up to 100-mile-an-hour winds, and then the aftermath. No, I just want to go home.
Power has been restored to Laura and David's home, but they must wait until it's warm enough to return to. 1 week on, and thousands are still feeling the impact of Storm Arwen. Tim Muffet, BBC News.
In the last few hours, the Conservatives have held on to their common seat in the Old Bexley and Sidcup by-election, but with a significantly reduced majority.
It was called following the death of James Brokenshire, who died from cancer in October. Our political correspondent Ione Wells joins us now from